Hi Sunshines, welcome back to our channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Lorianne.
And in this video today we are bringing to you another hair tutorial, another wash and go. The brand that is being featured today is, Ma, tell them what it is.
It is the much requested brand, the main choice, the ancient Egyptian line.
Yes. Main choice, the ancient Egyptian line.
All pretty, all gold.
I know,
shiny.
it is. It's so pretty. Can we talk about the packaging?
Let's do that.
For a couple more seconds?
Why not?
Literally a couple seconds. Like, it's just so pretty.
It is.
Can we talk about our aesthetic?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you look like a Price is Right girl when you held it.
Now, we've heard of the main choice before. We know they have a couple different lines. To be honest, we was never really checking for the main choice until we got some requests. And this was kind of the only line I was ever interested in because of the main player right here, this glistening twisting gel, this 24 karat glistening gel. And it's just the coolest thing. It's just the coolest thing. It's gold.
I know.
And so this was the only thing I ever really wanted to try from the main choice.
I want to see if like little sparklies come out.
They're like gold specks in there. It's
I wonder what it would do for like our highlights.
Yeah, so we were looking on the packaging just to kind of see what it does. They stress that it's best used for twist outs and braid outs. We don't do that, twist outs or braid outs. But it says that it does give your hair soft curls, and it says awesome definition. Oh wait, amazing definition. So that's what we're hoping for. We're also hoping that it makes our highlights pop, and I'm just hoping for a lot from this product, so I really don't want to be disappointed.
This was just an FYI. This was like the hardest video for our aesthetics. We took forever.
We did.
Trying to pick out clothes. We just couldn't get it. We picked out. Our yellows were off. First we were gonna do yellow. Then you kept saying my yellows had peachy tones to it.
Yeah, we kept wanting. We knew we wanted to do a purple backdrop, but we couldn't find. I wanted to do some type of yellow. I thought yellow would be pretty, but we just couldn't match our yellow, so then we ended up with denim.
And then we had gold shirts that we got from one of our videos.
One of our other videos, but we already did it.
But no, it was a tank top, and I had a t-shirt.
And it just looks so summery, and it's snowing outside, so we aren't going to do that.
It is snowing. Okay,
so if you would like to see our wash and go using the main choice ancient Egyptian line, then
please keep watching.
Please keep watching. So typically what we do is we spray our hair a little bit off camera first, but before my mom sprays her hair, I just wanted to show you guys. Look how popping her curls are after sitting under that little turban.
Taylor showed me a little bit of kindness tonight, and she helped me put a deep conditioner in my hair.
I did. I deep conditioned her hair, and I used the Q-Redo. And mine actually is fresh from a deep condition and a Q-Redo as well. So my deep conditioner sat for 2 days.
Oh my gosh, yours is so slow. What did you deep condition with?
I deep conditioned with, oh Lord. Oh, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Marufa oil. That mask that somebody recommended.
Okay.
Sitting in the house. It's bomb.
Yeah, and
yours.
I deep conditioned with, I bought the Carol's Daughter almond deep, the mask, the almond mask.
No, your
it smells
so
nice
good. And they're soft.
Really? Yeah, oh baby, thank you.
We're about to cut this video and do a no product.
Right.
Stop right here. Okay.
I know. I wonder if it was what you did with the, or was it
First things first. Water. Just another FYI. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. We got these products in the mail yesterday, and we really wanted to test them before we filmed.
Oh my god! Oh my god! My makeup. It better not run.
We wanted to test them before we filmed, but we were just too excited to try the products. So we're like, you know what? They're gonna get this first impression. So y'all gonna get this first impression today. And you guys keep saying you want hair videos, so
I know.
First impression.
And these things are expensive. We test all week. We'd be out of them by the time we get ready to film.
Right? No. I have such high hopes. My hair is so soft.
Yes, that is true. Wow, it was so dry. Too bad we didn't take a picture of it so you could insert it because
before and after.
My hair was so dry. It was stiff. I hadn't deep conditioned it. I used to be obsessed with deep conditioners, but because we're always filming, and I just never had a chance to kind of pamper myself like that. I haven't deep conditioned in ages, but yes, I feel the difference. Good job, girl.
I try to do what I can do, it.
Okay.
Alright, so I am going to section my hair.
Are you?
Yeah. Notice I purple clips. That's the purplest I could get.
Okay.
For aesthetic.
Okay. Notice, guys, I'm not taking off my earrings again. I'm going to try to be cute with my earrings as I apply product.
So the first product that we're going to go in with is the Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. They had this leave-in lotion and they had a conditioner. And since this is a leave-in, I just decided to go with this. Couldn't afford everything. Are you ready for it?
I think I am. There we go.
So this is also
Look at-
kind
it's
of
so
like
bright.
yellow
It's so bright. It's so bright.
and
Okay, there we
gold.
go. A little bit.
It's slippery. Ooh, feels nice.
Yeah, it smells. I don't know.
Yeah, I can't describe the
I
smell.
can't describe it. It almost has like almost like a quick whiteout. You know how we like to smell whiteout in school?
Okay.
Back in the day.
A little bit, a little bit.
It just, I don't know, it just has like a kind of like,
It just smells like oils, kind of.
yeah.
You know?
It's very natural smelling, though, that kind of,
It has slip. It's gliding through the hair.
oh, it definitely is gliding through the hair. Yes. Very much so.
So, me and my mom were talking about why we don't hear people talk about the Main Choice more. And my opinion on that is that it's one of those lines that is a little bit pricey. It's not like the super, super expensive high-end products, but it can be up there. Nothing in their line is has like one digit in it. So there's no like $2.99, $9.99. Like everything is like $10.99 and up. And it has the 99 at the end. So, for example, this leave-in was $16.99.
Wow.
The leave-in
Wow.
lotion, and the glistening gel was $14.99. So buying more than one product can add up.
Yeah.
And that's why I feel like I've never really checked for the line because I can't afford it.
Now, which one do they have in Target? Because I saw white packaging in Target, which is
I
that
believe
one.
that's their new Halo line. So there's a couple lines, but
Oh.
they're all a little pricey. You can't buy
Yeah.
really more than one, and even the bundles, if there's like 4 products in a bundle, it's like $50-$60, and so it's a little pricey. But we'll see if it's worth the coin,
We'll see.
you know. But I am glad that we have the gel, because that's what I really, really wanted to try.
We did. I mean, we've been looking at it since summertime, right, in Sally's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we've been waiting for those, buy one, get 2 sales and everything.
Yeah. That never came out. Funny how when people have sales, they know what to have sales on and what not to have sales on. Seems like the stuff you're looking for never seems to go on sale.
I know. There was a crazy sale in Target today. I was going crazy. Everything that had like that little yellow slip on it, stickered on it with like a new low price. I was very excited. I was all up in the natural aisle. Like, ooh, it's a sale. Ooh, it's a sale.
Like stores have
Picking
gotten
stuff up.
wise, or they're just like losing a lot of money and they just can't afford to be lax anymore, because I would consider myself a professional shopper when I was younger, and I knew when things were going on sale. I knew that when things first came out, get them then, hold on to them, keep the receipt, keep the tags. Then within like a week or two, they'd go on sale and you march back to the store, they give you the price difference, blah, blah, blah. I always got them initially out the gate because that way you get your size. But not anymore. I mean, they literally don't take things back after like 3 days now, like 7 days. Even the better stores, like sometimes I would think stores that were a little bit more affordable would be a little tighter, and like you would think like the stores that kind of cater to people with money and things, like they would not want to give you a headache. They don't care anymore at all. I'll go out with a migraine before they'll give me my money back.
You ruined it for everybody. You are like a super shopper.
Yeah.
You know all the tricks
No,
of the trade.
I used to say things like, I'm in this store all the time, and that used to move them. They're like, oh man, we're so sorry. Now they're like, ma'am, everybody's in this store all the time.
You're not the only person that spends money here. It's so funny.
Yeah.
So, first impression, I like that leave-in.
I did.
My curls are already, look at this, look at the definition already.
Yes,
on my curls.
I could barely pull it through because it keeps bouncing right back.
Yeah, I
Yes.
really like that. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
The main choice, we made the choice. That's so funny. I think that is their slogan, though. Whenever
Really?
I follow them on Facebook, and like whenever people comment, they're like, I hope you make the choice. I hope you make the choice. All right. Are we ready?
I'm
Oh,
ready.
wait, hold on. Let me section my hair again.
I think I'll just section it in sections.
For the main event here, this glistening gel.
I can't open the clip because it's getting slippery.
Slippery.
Yeah, that definitely had slip in it. That's pretty cool. I
was
like that.
nice.
Okay, so far so good. Just a pleasant smell. Nothing too
Nothing
descriptive.
overwhelming.
Yes, but
Like
just
I
pleasant.
like products with the smell, but this is nice. This is nice. Nothing overwhelming.
Yeah, it's not at all.
It's very pleasant. It's very high end. It's nice.
You think it smells high end?
Oh,
I think
yeah,
it
it
smells
smells like-
nondescript.
Oh, okay. Well, it makes me feel like it's like luxurious.
Yes.
It's 14 karat gold, gal.
Is it? Did it say 14 karat?
It's 14 karat.
Oh, okay, pretty cool. Let me smell.
You want to touch it first?
I'll touch it first.
Go ahead. All right, you have to touch it a little bit more than that.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna pull up. Oh, okay.
okay.
Oh, it means to be here.
Oh,
It's interesting.
yeah. So it has some substance to it. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh, this is so
okay.
cool.
Oh.
All right. Already, I feel like I don't have to be heavy-handed
Yes.
because it is thick. All right, that's enough for that side.
Really? Just getting started.
Not with my 14 karat gold gel, you not. That cost $14.99.
Did it really?
Yeah, it
Oh
did.
my
You thought I was
goodness,
playing?
okay.
I'm serious.
Yeah.
I'm cereal.
You always say I don't listen to you, so no. I
You
didn't know.
don't.
I
Does
didn't know whether
anybody
you
else
play-
notice how I have to repeat myself
No,
in
I didn't know
videos?
whether you were kidding or not. I didn't even hear what the price was. You said.
$14.99.
Okay.
Not that that's. Well,
It's
it is.
not-
Well, it's not a lot, but when you have to buy more than one product in the line, it adds up.
Yeah, it does. Heck yeah.
And just the fact that I know that there's cheaper lines out there that work,
Yes.
I just sometimes struggle a little bit swiping that card for one product
Yeah.
that costs that. I struggle a little bit. Anybody feel me?
I do.
No, you don't.
I do.
Because you are no respecter of price.
Yes, I am.
Okay, Ma. Okay.
Well, if I'm not, I deserve not to be. I've earned my stripes, honey.
Okay. All right, top
right.
layer.
Okay. All right, let's bring the product over so we all can share. Sharing
Okay.
is caring.
I'm sorry. Because you know it's going to be sitting on my shelf in here.
Everything sits on your shelf in here.
It totally does.
It's like you just have to see it on the shelf. That's okay. Everything. You're like, can I hold it in my room?
Right, even today I was like moving stuff off to make room for new stuff, and I was just like hyperventilating, like, I won't be able to see it if I stick it in this drawer. Like, it won't be in my view. Like,
I
I'll
know.
forget about it.
I was like, I know you don't want to, like, couldn't decide what we were going to do because you didn't want to really go into your new products.
Not true, not true, not true.
With all these products, a million products, you want to buy them and just enjoy them for a while, just on the shelf,
know.
unopened, untouched. I can understand that little obsession.
I am so excited for these results. Seriously, I have a really good feeling about this line, which I'm very pleased about.
Have you guys noticed Taylor Ann's hair? It is growing so fast.
Praise Jesus.
Like it really was
because my
cut
bangs
short.
were just a little too short for me,
I know.
but just
Yeah,
a little.
I thought they were really cute.
Yeah.
But you just kind of weren't used to you wanted
Bangs.
bangs all your life, but then when you had them, then you just didn't kind of know how to work with
How to
them.
rock them yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I couldn't believe the picture I saw the other day. They were really,
Yeah.
they had really come down.
But they are coming down
So
without
they
me
will.
having to stretch them. So
Mhm.
praise them.
Yes, and they promised that they'd cut my hair so that when it started growing in, there would be a shape, and I definitely noticed the shape. It's kind of like round in shape. It's not just where it's super short in the back and then kind of long on the sides. I don't quite know what the final product will look like, but we'll see together.
Yeah, so the way I'm kind of like touching the product is you don't have to take your hand and like scoop it out because it is thick. Like I'm just kind of literally like dipping my fingers in.
Are you?
Yeah, because
You
like
trying to
it's,
train me so I don't go through your product?
no, I'm just
But
saying
just see me scooping?
how I'm doing it. But like it's really
She
like
sees me scooping, guys.
you
She's
really-
getting nervous.
don't have to do all that money bags, McGee.
She warned me not to play too much tonight because it's 4 o'clock in the morning and she's tired.
Not to play too much this morning.
She's tired. She's not up for my joking tonight.
Guys, I told my mom, I'm like, let's film. At the time it was 12. We didn't get on camera till 4.
A.M.?
4 a.m. I really thought it was going to be something like quick, boom, boom, boom. Never.
Oh, I'm a vampire.
I should have known.
I move around at night. I love nighttime. I'm just a night person. All right, so who's a night person and who's a day person? I am such a
Write
night
it in
person.
the comments.
I am such a night person. I really come to life around 6 o'clock at night. Start doing, that's when I'm ready to go to the mall. That's when I'm ready to just do things.
I don't really know what I am. I'm always ready to sleep, though. I know that. In the morning, in the afternoon, at night,
No.
I could always go for a nap. So I don't really know what I am. As long as I have some coffee, I'll be
I think it's such a waste of my life to sleep. I mean, I know you have to sleep to survive. You know, you have to eat, sleep, all of that. But even when I had children, and people always say when you were pregnant, oh, make sure you get your sleep. You're not gonna be able to get it once the baby's here. And when the baby was here, when the baby slept, I never slept. To me, if they slept and I slept, then when they woke up, I would never have enjoyed any time. Like it would just always be like babies. So when they slept, I did my thing, whatever that might have been. I used to quilt, so I would quilt and watch TV,
Are you ready?
shop. I think I am.
Look at our hair.
Yes.
It looks good.
Mhm.
It's shiny.
Really,
It's shiny. They need to put that on the package. Add shine, because they don't
Yes.
have it on the package, and they should.
Yes, I think I see. It's gonna look. Oh, look at little bangs for me.
Yeah, no, this is going to be
Oh,
lit.
cute.
So, we are going to let our hair air dry a little bit in the house. Then we're probably going to put a diffuser to it.
Around 6 a.m.
Around 6 a.m. And we will be back to show you these results.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. Bye bye.
And we are back. These are our results, and we could barely come on camera. We was too busy looking at ourselves in the mirror.
I know.
This is everything we were looking for. There is definition. There is shine. There is length. Gave you bangage, a style. Like,
Yeah.
these products are amazing.
We were very surprised when it finished drying, and then towards the end, we kind of like helped it out a little bit, right?
Yeah. So we both scrunched out our crunch with some serum. And these are our finished results.
These are the results.
With the main choice, Ancient Egyptian. So I think at the end of the day that we think that these products are worth the coin.
Yeah, definitely.
These two definitely are worth the coin, so we might make the choice again. Okay, so my mama isn't really feeling well. She kind of just got hit with the flu here, so we're going to try to like wrap this up, and she wishes she could say more about these products because we really love our results. But everything that these products claim to do, they absolutely do, so go check them out. We'll put a link down below for their website with growth, retention, shine, moisture, anti-frizz, everything these products do. You see it in our hair. Our hair looks amazing. So thank you so much for watching our video, and we will see you in our next one. Bye.
Bye-bye.